Aha! It's recorded. That's sweet. I want to record that.
Oh, you just put a bunch of doubly bad.
We could record half a terabyte, so I feel like we have enough.
Okay.
So, can you tell us about the flow?
Actually, I need to practice my tech talking first. So this is our non-ROV device, which we named Laker. Our vertical profiling float functions through a buoyancy engine, which is controlled through a 550 milliliter syringe mounted, and then a piston mounted to a P16 Actuonics linear actuator. This Actuonics linear actuator is controlled by an Arduino Portenta module, which connects to the top-mounted end cap antenna, and that communicates through a router and to our laptop so that we can send commands and receive data back from our float. And then, because the float itself hosts its own server, we're actually able to access
its own server?
Yeah, it hosts its own server through the Portenta Wi-Fi module. And then we're actually able to not just access the float from our own laptop, we can even access it from our own phone if we really wanted to. So we can actually send commands, extend, retract, open, and close command loops to make it go up and down in the water at any time we wanted to, as long as it's above water. We used a GL136 DF Robot gravity-based pressure sensor, and then several of these wet link penetrators created by Blue Robotics. And then we mounted this in a I believe it's concentric rings, where we have our outside protectional ring and these four mounted external zinc-plated stainless steel rods. And then here's our internals of the float, which has its own separate internal rings. Our power supply is 8 1.5 volt C alkaline batteries placed together in series, and we use a 3 amp fuse. We do have to use a 12 to 5 volt voltage step down converter to power our Portenta, because our Portenta only takes 5 volts. And the Portenta is connected to a custom created and designed printed circuit board PCB, which we designed in KiCad and used footprints that we got off DigiKey, and then we ordered and assembled it in-house as well.
What are those lights for?
These lights are just indicator lights to tell you that the float has power. Float has power, and that's connected also to that PCB board.
Thank you.
So, do you have questions? Or?
I'm good. Thanks.